Horses out, Security Rose past the begin. Mohicap Lady moving up now to take the lead. It's now Mohicap Lady followed by Security Rose in second, and in third Abigail Joyce Aduana, then followed by Milady's Lane, and Paradiso is the early trailer going along for the first turn. Mohicap Lady, Security Rose is on the outside, fighting out for the lead. Security Rose now takes the lead. Mohicap Lady drives back in second. Abigail Joyce in third. Milady's Lane drives back in fourth. Then comes Aduana and number 1 Paradiso. It's now Security Rose, the leader by a length and a half. Mohicap Lady drives back in second. Abigail Joyce now trying to get closer in third. Moving up Paradiso, Milady's Lane, and Aduana. And it's still Security Rose now by about 3 lengths. Mohicap Lady remains in second. Abigail Joyce moving up. Aduana in fourth. Paradiso and Milady's Lane as they come down at the last 150. Security Rose now strides away by about 6 lengths. Mohicap Lady moving up. Aduana by 3 lengths on the outside. Paradiso now 75 meters, and that's still Security Rose, and finally Security Rose second. Aduana, Paradiso, Mohicap Lady, then comes Milady's Lane, Abigail Joyce.
2416. Naging datingan dyan. 52